403 backed up from approaching Highway 6 south now through to approaching Aberdeen, where two left lanes are blocked off. We had a stalled vehicle in the Toronto-bound QEW ramp to the 407 and 403, but that's been cleared away. Delays on the Toronto-bound QEW from past Nikola Tesla through to Fairview and Walker's line to east of 3rd line. Eastbound Gardner construction delays backed up from just past Humber Bridge through to Dufferin. And it looks like there could be a collision along eastbound Highway 7 as you cross the 400, at least a lane block. It might be a right lane. It's really slow through here, so it's jamming up the drive on 400 range to Highway 7. Hire the Gardener to keep your yard and your neighbor's face green. Look at all the things the Gardener can do for your yard at hirethegardener.com. That's hirethegardener.com. With the forecast, Jill Taylor.
Well, the rain will taper to showers for the afternoon, and then the winds will pick up first out of the west-southwest, and then a strong gusty wind out of the northwest tonight. Gusts